Today we are going to learn chamfer. Previously we learned corner, now chamfer. The difference between these both is one is form corner, means curvature will form between the two lines. The another one will form the straight line between the selected two lines. That is the only difference. The remaining will be everything same, including the here also it has 6 options. The same thing however we have done in previously corner. Here also the same options, the same number of ways is there here. See, trim all elements, trim first element, no trim, standard line trim, and construction lines trim, and construction lines no trim. Okay, here 6 types of chamfer is there. Now let's see how it's work. So again, choose some different lines to get clear idea on chamfer, how it's work. Okay, now we are drawing different lines. I think it's enough. I'm drawing randomly. There is no any particular idea. Okay, let's draw a small. Then why don't we draw a circle? Let's see, we will draw a circle also. Is it work on circle or not? Okay, let's select chamfer. First option, trim all elements. We know trim all elements means whatever we select, the remaining will be erased. For example, I am selecting first line and second line. Sorry, it's selected already circle. Let's see is it happens or not. One line and one circle we can chamfer, but practically it's not correct. Undo. Yes, select chamfer. First option, first element and second element. We are forming a line between these two lines. See, here we can give angles and length. Let's see that in that next section. I selected. See, these all remaining elements are erased. Here it is formed. Now second one, trim first element. This is first. If I selected this one, this part will be erased. So I am going to choose this one, first element and second element. Here forming this. See, here this line is erased. Okay, third one, there is no trim. No trim means, let me select this two one. See, as it is there is no trim. And fourth one, standard line trim, means it erased remaining one. The line is formed here. The two intersection of the points is there after the remaining lines is erased. That is the option we already know, we have seen in corner. Construction lines trim, it is another one. Let's see, here it is. See here, the remaining everything is eliminated, erased. The only this line extension up to this point and this line, the intersection of these two lines, between this intersection the line is in construction mode. The remaining parts is completely erased. Okay, now you can see here. Now I am going to Control Z, undo. See how many lines erased. Okay, now finally construction lines no trim. See, construction lines is the lines is as is, but after chamfer it is in construction mode. These are 6 types of chamfers. Let's see chamfer is working on circle or not. Okay, it's working. I never expected this. One line and one circle. Here we can forming a chamfer. Then is it possible to 2 circles? Between these 2 circles forming a chamfer, is it possible? Let's see. First circle and second circle. Here another option is there, angle and hypotenuse, first and second length angle. Okay, it's possible. Then we can make a chamfer between 2 circles also. Remember guys, I never experienced this till now. It's first time. Okay, and what we have to know now, see here guys, now I'm choosing chamfer. Here it's representing 6 types. Okay, now after selecting 2 lines, here we are getting another 3 more options. Okay, here first one is angle and length. For example, I wanna give 70 degrees angle and 50 length. Now enter. See, here we can see that between first line and the chamfer it is 70 degrees and the chamfer length is 50. Okay, this is the one option. Now let's see second one. Again I have selected chamfer. Here it is 6 types. Now I am going to select first line and the second line. Here again displayed 3 options. Here we have seen angle and hypotenuse, and now we are going to see first and second length, both are lengths. Now I am selecting second one. Here it is asking first length and second length. Okay, first length I am going to give 80 and second one I am going to give 20. See here, this line up to one point and this line up to here, the both intersection of lines I have selected first line with 80 length and second line 20, so it is chamfered 80 by 20. Okay, keep remember that. So third option is there. So for that I am drawing another line. Again I am selecting chamfer, first line and the second line. Here it is third one. In this third one, angle and first length, we have to give angle. For example, I am giving 55 angle and length is 38. Enter. See here, I have selected first line and second line. With the first line it is 55 degrees and with first line only, it's completely depends on first line. First line with angle 55 degrees, first line from point 38 degrees. Okay, this is the third option, chamfer. Okay, I think we have learned everything about chamfer. So once more, here we can see, select first line, second line. Both lines. Here I am giving $50 and 20. Okay, first option. Now second option, first line and the second line. Here giving angle and hypotenuse. In that angle I am giving 15 and length 42, 43. Enter. See here. 10 degrees and length 43. Okay, is second option. And third one is first line and second line. I am giving angle 45 is 45 and second one also give 45. Let's see what will happen. Here 45 length and angle is 45. So these are three methods, extra three methods, sorry, 6 types of chamfers and extra method. Okay, thanks for watching CAD Tech tutorials. Please subscribe our channel, like the video, share the video.